Bike Park Wales, one of the best places you can come riding in the UK. Such a fun place, loads of trails. I brought the GoPro. I just want to try out some chin mounts, some chest mounts, see which is the best.
Wilkinson, Chris Wilkinson.
Thank you. Bye. So Richard's had a morning already. You had a good morning riding?
Yeah, really good. Dry but nice, really nice.
ACDC. Rocky. Rooty. What's occurring?
Okay, here's the lowdown if you're thinking of visiting Bike Park Wales. It's at Merthyr Tydfil in South Wales. I stay in a Premier Inn that's 2 minutes away because it takes me about 4 hours to get here from York. All sorts of different trails going all the way from green up to black. They are bike park graded trails, so even the greens, if you're bringing kids, they do need to be fairly capable, I'd say. There's a brilliant trail centre. They do awesome food, there's a bike wash, everything you could hope for. The uplift service is what I really come for. I've done an afternoon and then a morning. I stayed at the Premier Inn overnight. Each of those half-day sessions cost me £37.50, so I've paid £75 for the full-day riding essentially, but just spread over 2 different days. Oh, and I would definitely recommend a full-face helmet because you're going to need those teeth for those lush burgers down at the cafe.
You'll come down a steep and you're like, it doesn't open up. You can see it's going to flatten out at the bottom. It's 2 like rock steps that you don't have to make, but you probably would just hop off them.
Yeah.
Rooty, rocky. And then basically I'll shout and then there's a, it's not blind at all, but there's a little trail gap. You jump over a walking trail.
Right.
But yeah, you need to kind of hook off. If you don't make it, it doesn't matter, you just land on the flat.
Six PM, we're still going out a ridge.
We are.
Another couple of runs.
I don't know how many we've done. 20 odd?
Well, you have, yeah. I've not done as
yeah.
many. It's getting a bit stinky. Is it me or you? me done, the bike is washed, I've got a coffee for the road. I hope this video gave you a little bit of a flavour about what Bike Park Wales is all about, and maybe a few ideas about how best to mount your GoPro on the chin or the chest. Anyway, it's a great place. I hope you found this video useful if you're thinking of taking a trip here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.